Ready to dive into the electrifying world of crypto and build your own Ethereum money printing machine? First, you'll need the heart of your mining rig GPUs. Aim for cards with high hash rates and efficient power consumption, like the RTX 3060 Ti or the RX 6600 XT. 6 to 8 of these beauties should get you started, but do your research on current profitability. Next, a motherboard specifically designed for mining is key. Look for one with multiple PCIe slots. Euro at least 6 is recommended. Euro and features like PCIe slot spacing that gives your GPU some breathing room. Powering this beast requires serious juice. Choose a high wattage power supply unit. Euro at least 1000 watts for 6 cards, and even more if you plan to expand. Make sure it's a reputable brand with good efficiency ratings. Time to build. Carefully mount the motherboard in your mining frame, then gently slot the GPUs into the PCIe slots, ensuring they click securely. Connect the necessary power cables from the PSU to the motherboard and GPUs. With the hardware assembled, it's time for software download. Mining-specific operating system like Hivios or Ravios onto a USB drive. This software simplifies mining management and monitoring. Boot your rig from the USB drive and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your mining pool and wallet address. Once everything is set up, you can monitor your rig's performance and watch those sweet ETH rewards roll in. Good luck and happy mining.